Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 22. You will not see your brother's ox or his ass go astray, and hide yourself from them. Surely you will bring them to your brother. However, if your brother is not near to you, or if you do not know him, then you will bring it to your own house, and it will be with you until your brother seeks after it. Then you will restore it to him again. In like manner you will do with his ass, so too you will do with his clothes, and with anything lost of your brother's, which he has lost and you have found, you will do likewise. You will not hide yourself. You will not see your brother's ass or his ox fall down by the way, and hide yourself from them. Surely you will help him to lift them up again. A woman will not wear what pertains to a man, nor will a man put on a woman's garment. For all who do so are unnatural unto Yahweh, your Elohim. If you encounter a bird nest before you along the way, in any tree or on the ground, whether with young ones or eggs, also a mother sitting on young ones or upon the eggs, you will not take the mother with the descendants. Surely you will let the mother go. However, you may take the descendants unto yourself, that it may be well with you, and that you may prolong your days. When you build a new house, then you will make a barrier for your roof, so that you do not bring blood upon your house, if any man should fall from there. You will not sow your vineyard with hybrid seeds, lest the fruit of your seed which you have sown, and the fruit of your vineyard become defiled. You will not plow with an ox and an ass together. You will not wear a garment of blended fabric, of wool and linen together. You will make for yourself fringes upon the four corners of your clothes, which you are covered in. If any man takes a wife, and goes in unto her, yet hates her, and establishes slandering words against her, and brings a bad name upon her, and says, I took this woman, and when I came to her, I discovered she was not a virgin. Then the father and mother of the woman will bring evidence of her virginity to the elders in the gate of the city. And the woman's father will say to the elders, I gave my daughter to this man to wife, but he hates her. Now he has established slandering words against her, saying, I discovered your daughter was not a virgin, yet this is from my daughter's virginity. Therefore they will spread the cloth before the elders of the city, and the elders of that city will take that man and chastise him. Moreover, they will fine him with 100 shekels of silver, and give it to the father of the woman, because he has brought an evil name upon a virgin of Jashari'al. Furthermore, she will be his wife. He will not be allowed to divorce her all his days. But if this thing is true, virginity is not found for the woman, then they will bring out the damsel to the door of her father's house, and the men of her city will stone her with stones, so that she dies, because she has worked folly in Jashari'al, to play the whore in her father's house. Thus you will put away evil from among you. If a man is found lying with a woman married to a husband, then they will die, both of them, the man who laid with the woman and the woman. Thus you will put away evil from Jashari'al. If a virgin woman is betrothed to a husband, but a man finds her in a city and lies with her, then you will bring both of them out to the gate of the city, and you will stone them with stones, so that they die. The damsel because she did not cry out in the city, also the man because he has humbled his neighbor's wife. Thus you will put away evil from among you. But if a man finds a betrothed woman in the field, and the man forces her and lies with her, then only the man who lies with her will die. However, unto the woman you will do nothing. No mortal sin is within the woman. For like when a man rises against his neighbor and slays him, even so is this matter. Because he found her in the field, the betrothed damsel cried, yet nobody saved her. If a man finds a virgin woman who is not betrothed, and lays hold upon her, and lies with her, and they are found, then the man who lies with her will give to the damsel's father 50 shekels of silver, and she will become his wife. Because he has humbled her, he may not put her away all his days. A man will not take his father's wife, nor uncover his father's skirt.